Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. Now, today I'm a little bit later, so the sun is very hot and very high, and we're in Florida, so the temperature today is 1252 degrees Fahrenheit. At least that's what it feels like. So, this is going to be short and sweet because I am burning up. So I just wanted to share with you today a couple things. This shawl that I started, I know it's been a long time ago, and but look what I've got done with it. And I don't know if you can see the colors, but I'm going to hold it up like this. Can you see the colors? They are a-changin'. And see, it's a triangle shawl. It's not symmetrical. So one side goes whoop up and the other side stays flat. So I really like this shawl. This was one that I was inspired to do by Cinnamon Stitches, and I'm still working on it. I'm using this hobby yarn and an F hook, but this hobby yarn is actually very thin, and it's like 4 threads put together, and so it's very very flexible, very soft. It really is soft. It's 100% cotton, and it's the Cotton King's Twirl. And so anyway, that's what I'm working on. And if you'll see I've got some. The next is like a more solid blue, and then, because right now I've got blue, 4 strands of blue with 1 strand of the purple. So it's just slowly easing into solid blue. I really like that. And then it's going to go into like a light green and a yellow and like a peachy, and then it'll end with this bright orange. It's actually not like an orange, it's like a peachy orange. But anyway, I am so excited because I think, see my dress? I just got this dress on sale. I love getting a good sale from Catherine's, and it's originally like $90 dress, and I got it for $19.99. They were doing a clearance, and it's so pretty. And but I think that this would be really nice for, if I wear it to the office. I don't want to wrap it because I don't want to lose my way here. But, if I like do a little neck wrap, and then that way I can cover up this area a little bit and be more appropriate for work. And yet this is it's so light because it's 100% cotton, and it's so thin and flexible that I am really in love with this shawl. The only downfall to working with this is that every stitch is so tiny. So it takes forever, it feels like. And because you're working with, I don't want to ball it up. Because you're working with, such a fine thread cotton, you have to really be careful because it does have the 4 strands, so you can very easily, miss a strand, and you don't want to do that. So, because then you have to pull it out and, frog it and start again. So you want to do that as gentle as you can, and yet, I just want to like whip through it. And this is one that you can't really just whip through. So I know I wasn't on last week. Last week was a crazy week. I still have a migraine. The sun is not helping me. But, I had migraines off and on all last week. And then there were times when the rain would come, and there wasn't a perfect time to come out here and do the morning coffee and crochet. So even with all that, my drink of choice right now is Diet Coke because so hot out here, and I need a little bit of refreshing. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. And I have one more thing to show you today. My sweet husband took me to Hobby Lobby because I hadn't been in forever, and they're open now. And of course, we wore our masks and sanitized the cart and everything. But we were the only one on the yarn aisle. And so tomorrow I'm going to show you the yarn that I got. But today I wanted to show you some beads. And these are, I don't know if you remember me talking about, and if you don't, just go back and look. It's the one where I'm holding the jellyfish. And I needed faceted beads. Now, you know what? Look at this. It says faceted beads. Okay? Could I find them on their website? No. Could I find them on any website? No. I could not find these. I found pony beads, I found tri beads, I found all kinds of other beads. Faceted beads were not to be found. Now, I do know Hobby Lobby has these. They have them in 3 different sizes, and I ended up getting them in 3 different sizes. I wiped out their, what size is this one? Oh goodness, it doesn't even say. This one is 225 beads, and it doesn't actually say how big they are. And then I got one of the larger faceted beads, and that one has 150 in there. And then there were some that had even tinier ones, 360 crystal faceted beads. And so see, they're like a clearish color, and they're faceted so they'll catch the light. And so I am ready to do the mobile for my youngest granddaughter, and make the jellyfish for her mobile. And I'm also ready to put together the butterfly mobile for my oldest granddaughter. So we have a 2-year-old and a 2-month-old. So it's very exciting around here, even though, with the lockdown and everything, I call it a lockdown, I call it a lockdown. I'm not able to actually hold them and play with them and everything, but we can still, chat with each other over the fence. And I still, my little 2-year-old granddaughter, they were taking a walk in the stroller, and she looks at me and she said, "I would like some fishies." And she remembered that, I don't know, before the pandemic, or right at the beginning of the pandemic, I had done some shopping, and I had bought her some Swedish fish, the little red fishies. And she was like, "I would like some fishies." And I was thinking goldfish, and I said, "Well, honey, I don't have any goldfish." And I was in the car getting ready to go somewhere, and my husband said, we have those gummy fish." And I said, "Do you want some fishies? Poppy will get you fishies." And she just had this look on her face like, my Poppy is my hero. So we still get moments like that, and I just soak it all up. So even though, I'm not able to hug them and love on them right now, I soak up all the moments that I can get. And my daughter-in-law is super sweet, and she sends me videos and pictures of their cuteness all the time. So, and then we video chat, and so it's all good. But anyway, I was really excited. I didn't buy them out. I probably should have. They didn't have too many, and it didn't matter what size they were. It was $2 a bag. So of course, with the smaller size, you get more. But it was $2 a bag. So I'm ready to get started on that. So I will do a tutorial when I get ready to do the other jellyfish and how I put it together. That tutorial. I won't do the tutorial on how to do the jellyfish. I'll put the link on the jellyfish instructions, because I got that from another YouTuber who I'll have to look that up because I don't remember her name, but the instructions, and actually maybe it was even online. It was on a blog, I think. I had to follow instructions. There wasn't a video. So maybe if I can contact her and see if she'll mind if I do a video. I don't know if she might mind, but I certainly don't want to take credit for anyone else's work and ingenuity. So because there's so many brilliant people in this world, and they all deserve credit for their work. So anyway, that is what I have for today, and I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you're not like me and suffering with like heat exhaustion and and migraines and whatever is just like really wearing on me. I just think that it's just the weight of the world right now is just really wearing on me. And like I had said before, I'm very empathetic, and so I feel everything. I think personally, I feel things harder than some people do. And maybe I just need to stop. I stopped, looking at Facebook maybe once a day, but boy, things ramped up, and so even a simple scroll through Facebook turned into a, oh my goodness, what next kind of a thing. So, with all that said, I hope that you have a fabulous week and a fabulous day, and I hope that this week is a week of health and peace and a time to show kindness to someone in your life. And I hope that you have a great day. And so stay safe, be kind, I forgot what I was going to say, and get hooking. Bye.